So I wanted to, one thing I wanted to do was get my porch spring ready, slash summer ready. So I am giving you the before. I got some dead rosemary out here. And
hello, I'm doing child labor.
Don't say that. And my little helper, he's pulling some weeds over there. And then I got some flowers here that I'm gonna repot. One of the things I wanted to share with you that's part of my spring decor is this new mat. This is from the, I'm not sure if I showed this in my other video, but this is from the Threshold, and I have it upside down, but it's from the Threshold line. And it's part of the Studio McGee collection, and I just fell in love with it. I had a great coupon that I was able to use, and I got it. So yeah, it's time to throw out this old one, replace it with the new one. So let's get started.
Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Denise Marie, and I am ready to share my spring porch makeover with y'all. I'm super excited. I've got a lot going on in this video. I definitely want to just get everything nice and cleaned up, dust everything off, clean the windows, the door, and, just get everything looking nice and fresh for spring. So stay tuned. I've got a lot going on in this video, and, definitely hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on the next video, and comment down below. Let me know what your favorite part is. Let me know what you do to get ready for spring. And all right, let's get to watching.
So I got this little plant at Home Depot, I believe it was, or maybe it was Lowe's, I can't remember. Usually I get my plants at Lowe's, but it was on clearance for $1. It's a lily turf, and I just thought it was super cute and would go cute on my front porch. So I'm just taking some dirt and repotting this one as well. Making a mess here.
So I just want to jump on here really quick and just say I am in no way, or do I no way have a green thumb. I've been really happy that I've actually been able to keep some succulents and a snake plant and a croton, I think that's how you say it, plant alive for the past, I don't know, maybe 5 months. So I am trying my hand at a couple more, and we'll see how that goes.
Excuse me. I'm also going to paint this. So I actually bought this little bistro table a couple of years back, and like literally probably more than 5 years ago, and I bought it for like $30, and I'll try to insert a picture so you can see what it looked like beforehand. It was actually, the chairs were and the legs of the table were just this color, and I was able to spray paint the legs and the chairs a matte black, but I have not been able to do this. So I figured I would just use a little paint and paintbrush to help it blend in a little bit.
new patio.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, there's a lot of fun of those.
So this is some dirt I had from a while back. I'm just gonna utilize some of this here. It's not actually old, it's still good. I only had it for a little bit, but I'm gonna make it work. I should have put my gloves on before I did this, but let's see.
So here is my spring front porch makeover. I am really happy the way it came out. It's simple, just the way I liked it. I incorporated a couple of new things. Like I said, this mat from the Studio McGee line. The wreath is new. You did see it in my last video. That is from the Hearth and Hand line. And I just bought a couple of plants to incorporate as well. And then my little bistro table, which I've had for a couple of years now, I just gave that some new life, and I really love the way that came out. And then this ceramic pot here, I got that actually from Target, from the dollar section. I believe it was like $3 for the little pot, and I'm just really happy with the way this came out. It's, you know, just refreshing my front porch. It's giving it a little bit of life and just making it, you know, a place that I want to go outside, sit, have a glass of, you know, tea or water or whatever I'm enjoying for my drink, and or read a book, watch my kids play. It's just, you know, a place for us to kind of sit and just enjoy ourselves for a little bit. Let me know what you do for spring. If you do something like this, bring out, you know, your front porch furniture, whatever it is that you may have, and definitely hit that subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you can stay tuned for future videos. Hit the like button, comment down below, let me know what you think. Don't forget to share this video with your family and friends, because that really helps my channel to grow, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.